Okay, Assalamu alaikum class. I am the private sector teacher, and my making of this channel is to benefit those students who do not know the concept of geography. And I have come with the class 6 geography, that is about Punjab Textbook Board Employees Welfare Society. Okay, now come with the universe and its components. It's from the chapter number 1, that is about Earth as a planet. Okay, universe and its components. So how universe was created? Universe was created what with a massive explosion about 50 to 20 billion years ago. This is called Big Bang. How the universe is created, you can see in the picture that the four components has been told that how the universe was created. According to the scientists, the creation of the universe was resulted from a massive explosion about 50 to 20 billion years ago. This is called Big Bang. Then the universe is the combination, a multiple collection of billions of galaxies comprised of matter. The Milky Way galaxy is one of these. So first of all, I have tell you that universe is the creation of billions of stars, and then in that stars there is one thing that is about Milky Way galaxy. It is a collection of billions of star gases and the clouds of dust. According to the astronomers, the Sun is one of the billions of stars of the Milky Way galaxy. 8 planets revolve around the Sun. This is called the solar system. You can see on the picture the arrow has been shown by the combination. We have start from the universe, then I have tell you about the Milky Way galaxy, then I have tell you about the solar system, and about the sun. The sun is the part of the solar system, and then I tell you about the earth. Our earth is a part of the solar system. It is one of the 8 planets which revolve around the sun in their selective orbits. So if I have to tell you the whole summary about this, I can tell you that the universe was created about 50 to 20 billion years ago with the massive explosion. And one of the thing is that the Milky Way galaxy is one of these. It is a collection of billions of stars, gases, and the clouds of dust. According to astronomers, the Sun is one of the billions of stars of the Milky Way galaxy. 8 planets revolve around the Sun. Universe is created by the massive explosion. Then I have tell you that the Milky Way galaxy is one of the star of the universe. Then on the Milky Way galaxy there is 8 planets, and the solar system Sun is the one of the part. Then I have tell you about the earth, that our earth is the part of the solar system. It is one of the 8 planets which revolve around the sun in their selective orbits. So universe is created with a combination of 4 types. Now we can come with the solar system. So what is the relation of solar system and earth? The solar system is contained of 8 planets which move around the sun in their selective orbits. This system was formed about 5 billion years ago when a cloud of gases and dust began to move. This gaseous material begins to cool with the passage of time and appeared in the shape of solar system. In the center originated the sun, while the movement of gases and the dust become planets which begin to revolve around the sun. You can see on the picture, this is the asteroids. Asteroids are the small particles of the stone that are moving. This is the sun. This is all the planets: Jupiter, Neptune, Venus, Mercury, Mars, Earth, Saturn, Uranus. Sun. Now come to the details. Sun is a brighter star. It is composed of hydrogen and helium. Sun contains hydrogen and helium gases. The temperature of its main surface is about 16,000 centigrade. You can see that the temperature of the sun is so hot. It contains hydrogen and helium, and the temperature is about 6,000 degrees C. It is a source of temperature and light for all the planets of the solar system. Then come the planets. The planets which revolve around the sun in the selective orbits get light and temperature from the sun. Our Earth is one of these planets which revolve around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. You can highlight this chapter that the sun can highlight there in 365 days and 6 hours. This is the picture of the solar system. Okay, now I can tell you about the picture you can draw on your home so that you can clearly see that how the solar system was created. Look this. I can tell you. Yeah. Okay. This is a written form. You can see. This is the solar system, sun, and this is all the planets that are revolving around the sun and their duration that can be seen.